They flip, twirl, and point you toward companies that want your business. They are sign spinners, and about 10 work for Street Hop Advertising. Owner Melvin Harder started the business in 2009. He says things are much different today than when he first started flipping signs.
You didn't have trained professional sign spinners in 2009 until we had started here. Now you can drive up and down any main street in Columbus, and you'll see the sign spinners.
Just a few hours of work can increase profits and a customer base for businesses. Here at Jelly Bean Junction Learning Center, a sign spinner put their business on the map by pointing parents to their building, which sits well back of Refugee Road.
We do track our marketing to find out where parents either see or heard about us, and a high percent of them did say that they had seen the sign spinner on the corner and then came in.
But sign spinning in Pickerington could soon come with a few strings attached if city leaders decide to place restrictions on the practice, restrictions that could come as a result of a comprehensive overhaul of Pickerington's zoning code, which is well underway. Attorney Jennifer Riedler, whose firm is helping the city of Pickerington to go through that revision of their zoning code, tells me that the discussion about regulating sign spinners came up during a steering committee meeting, but it's too soon to tell what, if any, regulations could be adopted. But the discussion is just enough to worry Melvin, who says his spinners are trained to stay away from roads and out of the public right-of-way.